Hi dears, nice to meet you again. Now I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics. The first chapter is relations and functions. The first subtopic is functions. What is functions? Listen. A company has 5 different categories of employees. Five different employees. The first employee denote E1. Second employee E2. Third employee E3. Fourth employee E4. Fifth employee E5. So let us consider 5 employees. The first employees get salary 10,000 will denote So employee 1 gets salary is 10,000. Then employee get salary is 5 different salaries. 15,000, 20,000, 25,000 and 30,000. Here E1 gets salary is 10,000. So E1 gets salary is 10,000. Next employee 2. So employee 2 gets salary 20,000. Then employee 3 gets salary 30,000. Then employee 4 gets salary 15,000. The last final employee 5 gets salaries 25,000. So 5 different categories of employees get salaries, one salary, that is called function. So every element has one unique image, it is called function. So here 5 different elements get single salaries, single image, that is called function. So every element has one unique image, it is called function. So here E1 is one employee, gets salary is 10,000, employee 2 gets salary is 20,000, employee 3 gets salary is 30,000, employee 4 gets salary is 15,000, employee 5 gets salary is 25,000. So here 5 different categories of employees gets different salaries and then different one unique image. So it is called function. So A and B are, this A set, this B set. So here A and B are two non-empty sets. Here A element has one, A element has unique image in B set. So it is called function. So here every element of set A belongs to A. Here A elements, what are elements? E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, like this. So all the elements that is E1, E2, E3, E4, E5 belongs to A set. Then So here 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000. So 5 different get salaries. That salaries belongs to B set. So it is called functions. Function definitions. Let a relation F between two non-empty sets. Two non-empty set means here A set have some elements and B set have some elements, but here two non-empty set. Non-empty set means some elements is there in the A and B as B set. Say is called a function from A to B if for each x belongs to A. Here x is the elements. So x, what are the elements belongs to A set, there exist only one. So here y belongs to B. So what are the elements y? The elements belongs to B set such that x comma y is the order of pair. So here x comma y order of pairs belongs to function. So this simple way method here, this is a simple explanation of the functions. Here f equal to x comma y is the order of pair for all x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Here x comma y is the order of pairs. So every element belongs to A and B, that is called function. So a relation f between two non-empty sets A and B is called a function. And from A to B, if for each x belongs to A, there exists only one y belongs to B. That is the concept. Here one example, one machine is there, so some articles put in the machines, get some shapes of the articles, that is called functions. The next example, the first one, let x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and y equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And relations, that is what is here are relations. So relations is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6 and 4 comma 8. So that R is a function. So it is a here R is a function. So that R is a function, that is the question. Then after and find its domain and codomain and range. So here 4 types of questions here asking. The first question is show that R is a function, that is the first question. Second one domain, third one codomain, fourth one range. The first question show that R is a function. Here first of all I will write x set. X is a set. So what are the elements? X 1, 2, 3, 4. That is x set. Then second y set. So here y set, what are elements? What are elements, Satish? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here x is a set, one set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, and y set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here show that R is a function. First of all write R. So R is equal to, what are the elements? 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 4, third element 3 comma 6, fourth element 4 comma 8. This is R. Here 1 comma 2. I will explain the arrow diagram. Here first is x 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what is the set? X. Then second set is y. So what are elements y set? Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here 1 comma 2 is the order of pair. So 1 relates 2. So here 1 relates 2. 1 relates 2. The first one order of pair 1 comma 2, 1 relates 2. Second order of pairs 2 comma 4. So 2 relates 4. So 2 relates 4. Then third elements 3 comma 6. 3 relates 6. The next element is 4 comma 8. 4 relates 8. So here every element has one unique image. Therefore R is a function, because here 1, 2, 3, 4 elements have one unique image. Therefore R is a function. Every element has a unique image. Unique image. Therefore R is a function. The next one, what is the next question? So first question is completed. So that R is a function. So here every element has one unique image. Therefore R is a function. Second, find its domain. What is domain? The set A as set X as domain, set Y as codomain. So the element of X, that is called domain. So domain. Domain equal to, what are elements? Set X. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. The set X as domain, the set Y as codomain. So here domain X set is 1, 2, 3, 4. So next codomain. Codomain. What are codomains? Here Y set all the elements are called codomain. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So all the elements are Y set all the elements are codomain. So codomain is completed. But in case here 10 is not related in the set A, so it is also codomain. So next one, range. What is range? Range is nothing but here whatever elements are relates to X to Y, that elements only range. Range equal to what are elements? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8 is called range. The second sum, a relations f. This is a function. So f is defined by f of x equal to x square minus 2. That is a function. So f of x equal to x square minus 2, where x belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. That 4 elements are domain. So that is a set A. Here consider A set is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Here X is a domain. So here first question, list the element of F. First you have to substitute the X elements. What are the X values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. So 4 different values you have to substitute in f of x in the function. So first one given f of x equal to x square minus 2. So your first value is minus 2. I consider the x belongs to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Here first value is minus 2. X equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 means f of minus 2 is equal to f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole square minus 2 implies here minus 2 the whole square. What is the minus 2 the whole square? Minus 2 into minus 2. So here 2 times multiply minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Then minus 2. 4 minus 2. What is the value? 4 minus 2? 2. So 2. Next. X equal to minus 1. So here x is a minus 1. Here x value substitute means what we will get the f of minus 1. So here f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole square minus 2. Minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 what is the value? Here bigger value is minus 2. So bigger value minus 2 not 2 is a greater value. So 2 minus 1 1. So here so which one is the greater value? 2. 2 before what is the symbol? So minus 1. So next x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 means what will be the value of f of 0? So f of 0 equal to 0 square minus 2 implies 0 square what is the value? 0. So 0 minus 2 implies 0 minus 2 what is the value? Minus 2. Then f of 3. So x value is 3. X value 3 means f of 3 what is the value? That value you have to find. So f of 3. So x value is 3. 3 square minus 2. Why you are putting a square? Because the function is x square. That's why here write 2. So 3 square what is the value? 3 square 6 No. So 3 square is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 2. So 9 minus 2 what is the value? 7. So all the values are completed. Then next list the elements of f. So I will explain arrow diagram. Here the first value is minus 2. So here minus 2 right. Then second value is minus 1. Third value is 0. Fourth value is 3. Then the f of x equal to minus 2 means what will be the get f of minus 2? That is y z, that is 2. Then second minus 1. Third one is minus 2. Fourth one is 7. So here this x z, this y z. So here I will relate the first one minus 2 substitute means what will the value get? 2. Then x equal to minus 1 means what will the value get? Minus 1. So third one x equal to 0 means what will the value get? Minus 2. Fourth f is equal to x equal to 3 means what will we get? F of 3? 7. So 3 relates 4. So here list the elements of f. So f of that is a function f is equal to here minus 2 comma 2, that is an order of pair. So first order of pair is minus 2 comma 2, second order of pair is minus 1 comma minus 1, third elements are 0 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 2, fourth elements are 3 comma 7, so 3 comma 7. That 4 elements are function, that is the list of them is the elements of f. Then first question is completed. The second one, what is the question? Is f a function? Here we see the arrow diagram. Here every element has one unique image. So every element has one unique image, therefore it is a function or not? Yes, function. So every element has has a unique image. Unique image, therefore f is a function. F is a function. So following the videos, இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கீழே வந்து வீடியோக்கு கீழே உங்களுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கொஷின் பேங்க், அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட், இந்த மூணும் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா அதுக்குள்ளே இருக்கும். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா இந்த சம்ஸ்லாம் ஃபுல்லாக ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபுல்லாக கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி சப்ஜெக்ட் நோட்டில் எழுதுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா கொஷின் பேங்க்கில் என்னென்ன கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது, க்ரியேட்டிவ் கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்கும், அந்த க்ரியேட்டிவ் கொஷின்ஸை சால்வ் பண்ணுங்கள். அதே போல் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து தேர்ட் ஒன் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா செல்ஃப் அசஸ்மெண்ட். அது வந்து சம்ஸை வந்து நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ்கிட்ட சைன் வாங்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் இந்த கொஷினை எழுதிட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபுல்லாக கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து அதை வந்து நீங்கள் ஸ்கூல் நம்பர் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு அனுப்புங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.